an example of drawing lines, rectangles, and oval using Java. So we are gonna go to Visual Studio Code and we're gonna create a new Java project. So to do that, what we can do is we can just press Ctrl Alt Window M. So I'm using my laptop as a window, so we're gonna create new Java project. I'm gonna pick this one, and we're gonna no build tools, and we're gonna go here to Java. So okay, so now the name, let's put a name for this folder, for this project. We're gonna name it lines, like this, lines, rectangles, rects, ovals, JPanel. Okay, JPanel, and it already created that for us. So let's zoom in, and just to make sure, we go to Java. This is the folder with the Java project. We have it right here. Okay, so we can go to the source, and we're gonna have this Java file here that is gonna have the hello world. So we're gonna delete it and create another files in this source folder. Okay, yeah, it says hello world, that's fine. Let's just delete it. We're gonna go inside of source, and now we're gonna create this file that is gonna be lines, rects, ovals, jpanel.java, and make sure that we write it right. So public class lines, rects, ovals, jpanel. Yeah, that's fine. Before that, we need to import. So we're gonna import java.awt.color, semicolon at the end. We're gonna import java.awt that graphics, graphics, and finally we're gonna import javax.swing.jpanel, semicolon at the end. Okay, so now we are gonna display various lines, rectangles, and ovals. But before that, so we have this public class lines, rects, ovals, jpanel that extends jpanel. Okay, like that. And now we're gonna have the public void. So it's gonna be public void paint. So it's gonna be paint component. So here we're gonna have in graphics, and we're just gonna pass in G. We're gonna open curly braces, and now we're gonna use super. So it's gonna be super that, and we're gonna use paint component, and we're gonna pass in G. So this is a call. So call Superclasses paint method. We are gonna go below, and we're gonna have this that set background, and here we are gonna have the color that white with uppercase letters. So color that white, semicolon at the end. We're gonna use G that set color, and we are gonna have in color that red. semicolon at the end. Then we're gonna have G dot draw line, so it's gonna be draw line, and we're gonna pass in some parameters. So let's delete this. We're gonna pass some numbers here. So draw line, so we're gonna have in 530, then we're gonna have 380, and then 30. Okay, yeah, that's fine. We have the set color and the draw line. So now we're gonna have G dot set color, and we are gonna have in we are gonna have in color that blue. Yeah, color that blue. And now we're gonna have in the G dot draw rect, and again we're gonna pass in some numbers here, and the numbers are 540, so it's gonna be 540, 90, and 55. That's fine. Now we're gonna have the G dot fill rect, so it's gonna be fill rect, and we're gonna pass some numbers here as well, so it's gonna be 100, 40, 90, and then finally 55. So we have the G set color, and we're gonna go into G dot set color again, so it's gonna be set color, but now we're gonna have in the color that cyan. Now we're gonna have the G dot fill round, so it's gonna be fill let me see, fill round rect. Okay, fill round rect, that's fine. We're gonna have 195, 40, 90, 40, 90, 55, 50, and again another 50. Let me see. Here we're gonna have G dot draw. Okay, it's gonna be draw. It's gonna be draw 3D, so it's gonna be the 3D rect, and we just need some numbers, so we need to delete all this stuff. And now we're gonna have G draw it has to be G draw round rect, so draw round rect, it's like that. And we're gonna pass in some values, so it's gonna be 290, we're gonna have 40, we are gonna have 90, 55, 20, and then another 20. Okay, so finally we have two more colors, so let's just type them. So it's gonna be set color, and it has to be color that green, so this one, semicolon at the end. Then we're gonna have G dot fill round rect, and we're gonna pass in some numbers, so fill let me see, set color, this is green, and this is not fill, but this has to be draw. yeah, it has to be draw 3D rect. So let me see, draw 3D rect, yeah, and we're gonna pass in some values. So it's gonna be a 5, a 100, 5, 190, then 55, and a boolean. Okay, that is gonna be true. Oops, and a boolean true. We use GDAT fill. This one is 3D. Oops, 3D rect. Yeah, 3D rect, and it's gonna be 100, 90, 55, and then just false. Yeah, one final color, so set color. So we're gonna have a color that magenta, semicolon at the end. We are gonna have GDAT draw 3D rect, and now in this, this one has to be draw, yeah, because it's magenta, is gonna be draw oval. Okay, draw oval, and it's gonna be 195, 190, and then 55. Draw oval, and then GDAT fill oval. Okay, that's fine. And the numbers are gonna be 290, 190, and then 55. Yeah, that's fine. Let me see. Yeah, that will be it for this file. So we need to create our main file, so we are gonna name it again. Let me see if this one is lines regs oval. Okay, so this one would be kind of the same, so lines regs ovals dot java. Okay, and we are gonna import only two things. So we're gonna import java dot semicolon at the end. Then we're gonna import javax.swing, jframe. Then we have java awt.color, javax.swing. Yeah, that's fine. Lines regs ovals. We're gonna go inside, then we're gonna have our main method. Okay, then we're gonna create a frame for the lines regs ovals jpanel. So it's gonna be jframe. Then we're gonna have in the frame, and 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna be new jframe, and inside of the, let me see, inside of the parentheses we are gonna have in drawing lines rectangles and ovals. Okay, like that, semicolon at the end. Now we can go here. We're gonna use the frame. We're gonna have that set default close operation, and we're gonna have the jframe. Okay, jframe that, and this one, oops, that exit on close. Yeah, that's fine. And let me see. Yeah, now we're gonna have in the lines, regs, ovals, JPanel, and we're gonna have lines, reg, ovals, JPanel. So we're setting it to 1, 2, 3. New lines, regs, ovals, JPanel. Yeah, that's fine. Semicolon at the end. And then we are gonna have here the lines, so it's gonna be lines, regs, JPanel that set background. So set background, and we're gonna have the background color that white. Yeah, that white, so uppercase letters. Then we're gonna have in the frame that add, and we're gonna pass in lines. We're gonna pass in lines, regs, JPanel, semicolon at the end. So this is gonna add panel to the frame. So now we're gonna have in the frame that set size. So set size, set size, and the size is gonna be 400 by 120. So delete one semicolon at the end. And now we're gonna have in the frame that set visible, and we're gonna set it to true, the boolean true, and that would be the end for our test. So let's see if it's working or if we make a mistake. So let me see. Yeah, let's click it, and yeah, I found an error. So syntax error, line 20. It says, let me see, this one goes here, and yeah, so that would be it. So let's see, we miss one curly brace. Let's click it, and it did work. So just make sure your curly braces. So this is what we have so far. So we have some shapes here, and let's modify the, I don't know, maybe 400 by, I don't know, this one would be, I don't know, 600 maybe, and let's click it, and this is what we have here. Let me see, 180 by 600, and let's click it, and this is what we have. So there will be the